What's up, people? Today I'll show you what this is about. This is called Close Friends on Instagram, and it's a feature that enables you to post stories or even normal posts to your close friends only. It's a predefined list that you set up, but you can also amend it before you post, which I'll show you here. To set this up, first go to your profile, then tap on the burger icon at the top right. Now scroll down until you see who can see your content, and look for close friends and tap on that. Here you'll find a list of all the accounts that you follow. Select the people you want to include in your list and then tap back. Now to simply use this function, tap on the little plus icon to post a story. Select your image and look at the bottom. It will give you the option for close friends. If you tap this, it will upload and only show it to the people within the list you made. Close friends posts will be indicated by the green circle instead of the pink one. If you see other people with green circles, that means that you are their close friend. If you have any questions, drop them down below and give this video a like. It's a solid move to support me and I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye for now.